Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily connect your phone on Android or iPhone to your Windows 10 system. So for doing this you just need to go to start menu, just find here settings, and in the settings you need to find phone and just find here add the phone. So just tap on add the phone and just follow all the instructions. Just connect your phone to a USB and just follow all the steps to connecting your phone to your system. So just choose, for example, iPhone, continue. So here you need to install Edge on your phone, so just follow all these instructions and it will help to you to connect your phone to your system. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like.